Hello, this is H42S. Lunar waves. What is the lunar wave, from a non-conspiracy, anti-government, anti-science standpoint? That's the question asked on Quora on July 23, 2015. Well, the first answer was by Jacob Orth, being a nerd. It is likely just atmospheric distortions, such as thermocline, and/or an equipment flaw. I have only found 3 conspiracy theorists who have spotted these lunar waves, so equipment flaw is definitely still an option. Atmospheric distortion is self-explanatory, but I will describe it very quickly. Basically, light coming down through the atmosphere gets spent by the air that is moving around. It actually happens a lot, that is why stars twinkle, and it is a well-documented phenomena. As for equipment flaw, they don't tell us their equipment, so I can't do any research or tests beyond guessing. So a possible equipment flaw would be the camera's refresh rate being too low. I must say that I am not an expert. Smile. The second answer was by Tim Cole, astronomy educator and sky enthusiast, written March 5, 2016. The lunar wave is an effect of astronomical seeing. Lunar observers often refer to it as boiling. And there are 2 answers in total. After searching lunar wave Wikipedia, the term atmospheric tide comes up, which explains this with some basic equations, or the primitive equations, using definitions such as eastward zonal wind, northward meridional wind, upward vertical wind, geopotential, Brunt-Vasarler, buoyancy, frequency, omega angular velocity of the Earth, altitude, lambda geographic longitude, geographic latitude, heating rate per unit mass, radius of the Earth, gravity acceleration, constant scale height and time. Is that what the aliens mentioned about comprehending information? It basically tells that this is natural. Well, thanks to Crow777 we can observe this footage. The thing is, after searching the term lunar wave alone, about 6,850,000 results in 0.77 seconds were found. To research this phenomena is literally just too much information for one human brain. One brain can only watch the clip provided by Crow and do a little bit of a research until his information blocked, but that's scaled by many subscribers focused on this topic, which is lunar waves, will eventually lead to collective mind, which will resolve this question, which is again, what is the lunar wave? Unfortunately, I cannot invest $5 a month right now to participate in what researches is he doing and see what he observed with his telescope, because not many people are doing this, observing and sharing high-quality footage of objects I would like to see. But I would like to join him and look at his researches in future, as this will contribute to the collective mind here on YouTube. If we take the subscribe counter as a measure, how many connections Crow777 have, then 71,109 connections till now. That says potentially that many brains who can solve or contribute towards solving particular question, and that's the idea behind this collective YouTube mind. As now I have 1 subscriber thanks to Feed Salvador, and potentially access to 1 brain, which is a great start. I may call it YTCM for now, but leave your suggestions and comments about this phenomena, lunar waves. That's what the aliens mentioned about comprehending information.